If I send my son to school with a Tupperware container, he goes to school with a clear bowl, and it's got a blue lid, and it says Tupperware on the lid. My son would be proud to go to school with that. My mom's Tupperware, usually an empty Cool Whip container. And then she goes, grab a Sharpie so I can write your name on the lid. Like someone else has a Cool Whip container lunchbox. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one with a Cool Whip container lunchbox. You'd never know, Joseph. No, I know. I'm sitting down at the lunch table. All these other kids are trading lunches in front of me, but no one wants to trade for the mystery bucket. I'll give you my turkey and cheddar cheese sandwich for that peanut butter and jelly. I'll give you my chocolate chip cookies for those Pringles. And I'm looking at all of them. Does anyone want mango?